Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Avionics Tech channel.
This state-of-the-art masterpiece took stealth to the sea. See, the carrier variant of the Joint Strike Fighter stands out from other variants with rugged landing gear structure and folding wings. While the F-35C is brimming with technological advancements, launching a fully armed F-35C from an aircraft carrier remained to be demanding and perilous. Today's feature covers what it takes to catapult this multi-potential fighter into the sky from an aircraft carrier. The guys up here are saying that we can move the F-35C, inherits the largest wingspan of all the variants with 43 feet, which could reduce to 29.8 feet when the wings are folded to save deck space. The landing gear is manufactured to take the beating of catapult launches and hard landings on the flight deck. The dual-wheel nose landing gear comes with a launch bar to facilitate catapult launches. The wing is made 45% larger than other variants to introduce better low-speed handling characteristics. Catapulting an aircraft is no easy task. The chain of actions that takes place before putting the aircraft into the sky is extremely critical. Airmen with purple float coats or grapes become busy refueling the fighters, while air-wing plane captains with brown float coats conduct a walk around. An aircraft is refueled as soon as the aircraft is arrested to improve mission readiness. As the aircraft carrier crew gets their first-hand experience on a stealth fighter F-35C, all sorts of flight operations are carried out meticulously without affecting the stealthy characteristics of the fighter. Apart from that, the F-35 Lightning II houses the most advanced sensor suite with other state-of-the-art avionics. While the F-35C is not the heaviest to operate from an aircraft carrier, its relatively higher weight due to the strength and structure and larger wingspan to increase. Controllability and payload incurs more tension on the launching and arresting systems. Find out. The F-35C has proven its success with steam-powered catapult launches and arrested landings from Nimitz-class carriers. The catapult launch of the F-35C is done the same way as a usual fighter. Like the F/A-18 Hornet, once the aircraft is ready for takeoff, the pilot taxis to one of the 4 catapults. The launch bar of the nose gear slides into the shuttle assembly. This can push a 48,000-pound fighter to 165 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. As the name implies, the impetus for the movement in steam-powered catapults is provided by steam stored in a 16,000-gallon wet accumulator.
A holdback bar is fitted to the nose gear via its holdback fitting and restricts any inadvertent movements when the fighter is at full power when the right time comes.
The shooter releases the launch valve that ports high-pressure steam from the wet accumulator to the launch engine pistons that drive the shuttle. The holdback bar disengages when the pull from the shuttle is exerted. The aircraft accelerates along the catapult track and then releases from the shuttle at the end of the track. During a landing for arresting cables are laid across the runway, pilots extend the tailhook expecting to be arrested by one of the wires to stop the fighter. An aircraft carrier without its aircraft launch and recovery equipment is just prey floating on the sea. With that, the US Navy takes every single action to keep its catapults and arresting gears in the proper condition. Aviation Bosun's Mate's Equipment, or the ABES, from the Carrier Air Department's V-2 division takes care of the aircraft launch and recovery equipment,